Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable captions on YouTube. Turning closed captions on YouTube is simple, whether you're using a desktop computer or a mobile device. Closed captions are vital in enhancing the viewing experience and making videos more inclusive. In this video, we'll guide you through turning on closed captions on YouTube and exploring their benefits. First, open your YouTube app on your Android. Then, play the desired video. Tap on the video to show the player controls. Tap the CC icon in the video player's top right corner. And then, choose the desired language for caption. You can customize the caption appearance by tapping Settings and adjust the caption. Tap on that. Tap on Language. You can adjust the size, color, and background. While YouTube closed caption feature is generally reliable, you may encounter some issues. If closed captions are missing or unavailable for a video, the uploader hasn't provided them. You can contact the content creator and request that they add captions. In case the captions are out of sync or incorrect, you can report the issue YouTube by clicking on the icon below the video and select Report, Subtitle, or CC. Not synced properly or inaccurate. If you encounter any other issues with closed captions, you can report them to YouTube using the same process mentioned before. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.